No birds at the bird feeder because I think a hawk attacked. And look, bird carnage. These are all feathers. I wasn't here when it happened. That's just the seeds from the bird feeder, but that is why the birds are freaked out and they're not coming. I did notice that the birds fly in and out and eat really fast at the feeder. I don't blame them. But the feeder was completely full last night, and it was like halfway full this morning. And then after the attack, you know, a little bit less action, but well, there's some birds, they're back. Don't know what kind of bird ended up someone's meal. But we do have, what are they? I think hawks, what do they call it? Red-winged hawks. And we saw a whole family grow up during 2020 COVID lockdown. So could be those hawks or their children.